Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo. Today we're just gonna simply make you a nice lovely drink. First of all, we're going to put I got some frozen banana right here, and all I'm going to do is put 3 pieces in the bottom of it, like that. See? Just like that. The next thing, we're going to put a handful of spinach. Let's get it straight down inside of it. Let's put us some more. And then apple. I remove the skin. This is a green apple, and I remove the skin from the green apple. Put it straight inside of it. And a few pieces of ginger. Remove the skin. And then ice. And then we're gonna put some piece of lemon juice in it. Squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. Some honey. Roughly about 2 teaspoons of honey. And then orange juice is a must. Then I'm gonna get some more ices, and then just gonna cover and blend 3 to 4 minutes, not too long. All right, about 4 minutes at least. So right here, what I'm going to do is pour it out like this. And then I have a little glass right here. Look at that. Beautiful and really nice. And hopefully guys will like the recipe. Please subscribe and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the show. We got a lot more ideas, tips and recipe coming your way. See you next time. Bye bye.